Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Pine Editor in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open TradingView and sign into your account. Then open any chart where you want to create or edit a Pine script. Now, look at the bottom of the chart window. You'll see several tabs such as Stock Screener, Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, and Trading Panel. Simply click on the Pine Editor tab. As soon as you click it, the Pine Editor panel will open at the bottom of the screen. If a sample script is already displayed, that's completely normal. You can keep it, edit it, or delete it and start writing your own Pine script from scratch. The editor includes syntax highlighting and autocomplete features to make coding easier. You can use it to create custom indicators, strategies, and alerts directly on your TradingView charts. If you click on these three dots, you can also open Pine Editor in New Tab or New Window. If the editor appears too small, drag the top edge of the panel upward to give yourself more space to work. If you don't see the Pine Editor tab, make sure you're viewing the full TradingView chart layout, as some compact layouts may hide the bottom panel. And that's it. So that's basically how you can open Pine Editor in TradingView. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.